spa. Ayan, for super luxurious grand hotel. Look at that. Ayun yung spring water. Oh, bumubulwak lang siya. Ayun. Nakaibig tubig. Promise.
From Vicental, we drove 15 minutes further to Czech Republic to our accommodation via Airbnb called the Mountain Cottage in Jachymov. Take a look at our very affordable home for 2 nights.
Yeah. Meron siyang sofa and then may day bed. Okay, like this. Here is the veranda. Tadaan! Terrace. Yung ang maganda dito yung view. Hello! Checking out the view.
Mommy, come here.
Ang ganda ng view. Mountain view. So peaceful. Pwede na tayong mag-chill. Netflix and chill. Amira, let's check. Ito pa rin toilet. Maliit lang yung toilet. Very simple. Let's check out upstairs. Okay? On the attic. Ano siya? Ayan. Meron siyang sofa bed here. A window, may view din. And then there's 2 rooms. Okay, let's check out the small room first. Ito yung supposedly Mama D or my mom is gonna stay here. Meron siyang, I think this is like double size bed. And then meron din view here. Mounted with a bed, with a table. Office. Pwede siyang maging office table. Okay, so ito yung parang walkway niya. May TV din. Master's bedroom. Ay, ang laki naman ng bed, in fairness.
Bed?
Yes, bed.
Bed? He come and laugh?
Laughing. Yeah.
Good morning, sunshine! Although it snowed earlier in the morning, we're lucky to have a wonderful day ahead.
So today is our second day here in the Mountain Cottage in Czech Republic. And for today's vlog, we are going to Karlovy Vary. It's the nearest city, around 15 minutes drive from here. And it's known as a resort and relaxation and spa. If you're ready, then let's get started. Lost it!
We park along the road near the art gallery of Karlovy Vary. From here, we started our walking tour to this beautiful city spa of Czech Republic.
Oh, look at their flag. It's a Czech Republic flag. It looks like the Philippines.
Relaxing spa city of Carlsbad or Karlovy Vary is the site of numerous hot springs, about 13 main springs, and 300 smaller springs, and the warm water Tepla River. It is the most visited spa town in Czech Republic.
This one is Grand Hotel Pupp. And this one another hotel. It's like literally everywhere you can find a hotel. Luxurious hotel.
The Grand Hotel Pupp is an iconic grand hotel with 228 luxurious rooms that has always been synonymous of hospitality, first-class service, and entertainment. Karlovy Vary has the largest spa complex in Europe. In 2021, the city became part of the transnational UNESCO World Heritage Site under the name Great Spa Towns of Europe because of its spas and architecture from the 18th through the 20th centuries.
Kaka-amazed. Punong-puno siya ng mga luxurious hotel, deluxe hotels. So maybe next time, we're gonna go here and check in. Ipon muna. Crystal balls ganda. Look at this theater. It's super grand. Look at the ceiling. Oh my gosh. So, that one. Okay. Ayun, no? It's a design. Ang ganda. This is lavishly designed. Tingnan mo siya. Super intricate. Ceiling pa lang yan. So, how much more inside? I like the color gold. Gold cream, brown and black.
From here, we cross the bridge right in front of the theater to the other side of the road, where there are lots of shops and restaurants going to the famous
really
Colonnade.
It's a beer house. Ay, look at that. Ito yung mga crystal nila, Bohemian crystals. Well known sila dyan. Yung mga kopi-kopita. Look at that! Pagmamahal niyan, Momshies and Friends. There's no price here, but for sure these are super expensive. Ang ganda ng mga glass and crystals. Panalo. But something smells really good. Probably this one. The beer house with a hot dog. Uy, I like that concept. Let's check it out. Uy, super social. Look at this. Let's take a look closer. Gold. Yung mga lalagyan ng mga baso. Oh. Ang ganda. My gosh, look at this. Kopita. Oh, yan. That's your kopita for the day. Ang gaganda. Gold spoon and knife. So everything is super beautiful if it comes with gold. Nakakasosyal talaga siya. Macarons! Ang sasarap! So, where's Popshi and Babe Cheese? Ang sarap. It smells so good. Ah, ito yun! My favorite, of course! Bibili nga ako ulit. Ang aking favorite, ang tridlo. Or tridlo. Look at that, Miri. Ang dami, oh. Yan. With ice cream. Try it. It's warm. Wash your hands? No? Then mama, ako na lang magta-try. Makikita mo talaga umuusok-usok siya. Look at that. Ayan. Mainit nga. Mas mainit to dun sa isa. Ah, kaya pala eh. Kasi 61 degrees Celsius. Ayun o. Sabi dito, 61 degrees. So, natural tong mga spring water na to. Talagang galing siya sa bundok. Sa bundok tralala. Miri?
The original Colonnade was built between the years of 1910 and 1912 in the Art Nouveau style according to the design of the Viennese architect Johann Friedrich Ullmann. In the early 21st century, the Castle Colonnade was converted into Castle Spa and Wellness Center, which is currently not accessible to the general public. The center relief of the spirit of the springs is also accessible only to the Carlsbad guest. Nevertheless, the arbor with the upper castle springs remain open to the public, and the lower castle springs has been diverted to the market Colonnade. The market Colonnade was built in Swiss style in the years 1882 and 1883. It went under an extensive reconstruction in the early 1990s. Inside the market Colonnade, you may find the sips of the three mineral springs, the Charles IV spring, the lower castle spring, and the market spring.
Ito yung mga souvenir na, ang tawag dito? Souvenir na tasa siya, cup. Meron siyang straw at the same time. Ayun yung straw. Yung mga nakikita natin kanina, sinisip-sip nila yung water, yung spring water, using this. Ayan, hindi kami papahuli. Bumili na rin kami ng cup. Small lang for Miri. So, banlawan muna. I'm just rinsing it first. Oh, there's no more water! Come on. Ayan, panic agad. Okay, so ngayon, okay, let's fill it up with fresh, warm spring water. Spring healing water. Ayun, kakaiba yung tubig. Promise. Parang lasang gripo siya.
After we tried the warm spring healing water, we turned around, but this time, we went to the other road going to the restaurant. And now, it's perfect timing for our goulash. That was really delicious. On our way back to the parking, we found an abundant flow of spring water in front of the Catholic Church.
Mist or yung warm air coming from the hot spring. Feel na feel ko talaga siya. Spring water siya. Right there in front of the church. Ang saya. Umiinit bigla.
And now we're back to the Grand Hotel Pupp. A trivia about this hotel is that this is where they shoot one of the James Bond films called The Grand Royal. And that ends our grand walking tour for today. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!